We are now ushering in our contingent number 2.
Honorable Mayor, Honorable Lolita N. Buliacer, together with her Vice Mayor, Honorable Renando D. Inocato. Madam, sir. Together with her officials and all the municipal and the dancers. Look at them. Look at the blue, red, white colored.
Nice kayo. Dali sila sa atin.
We want to hear your biggest yell. Once again, Banuata Cabanlasan! I am not satisfied. Once again, your biggest yell from Banuata Cabanlasan!
Nice kayo lang float.
That's the energy I am looking for. Oh, look at this.
Dini on sa float dan, yan ang isa, ino sa binong fish.
Ino sa binong fish. Nakakuha na sa extension here. Dawan sila ba? Hi!
I don't know, this is the second float that I've seen. But in the many years of my MC, getting to Haka floats, I think for the first time I have seen.
Wow!
This is the first time.
This is the first time that these
fish
is
used as a float symbol.
Maybe they were in the past. Pero
pwede hulamon sa kaisa.
Sa pag-present is so different. And even the first one, I'm sure there has
pwede hulamon ka shots.
But the presentation is so different. So here,
Nailang props na. May ala, nagtiniil ang uban. Initaan na, oy.
Not certain.
Isa daw, duha na lang daw.
50,000 pesos, but I'm certain
ala ka, nice.
that they are spending